A sagging door can be a real annoyance, making it hard to open or close properly. Here's how to fix it. Open the door and check if the hinges are loose or misaligned. If the screws are loose, tighten them with a screwdriver. If the screw holes are stripped, use longer screws, at least 2.5 inches, to secure the hinge to the door frame. If the door is still sagging, try adding a thin cardboard shim behind the hinge plate on the door frame to realign it. Remove the hinge, place the shim behind it, then reattach the hinge. If shimming doesn't help, bend the hinges slightly using a wrench to reposition the door. If the hinges are bent or worn out, replace them with new ones. If the door itself is warped, remove it and sand down any swollen areas, especially if the issue is due to humidity. In extreme cases, replacing the door may be necessary. If the bottom of the door drags, mark the area that needs to be trimmed. Remove the door, sand or plane down the problem area, and repaint or seal it to prevent further swelling.